Hello guys, and welcome to another video from me. It has been a while since I've done an audio video with me talking, so today I thought of mixing up things a little bit. So I will draw a super easy drawing today. It will be really, I think might be the easiest video I have done, and it will be all in real time. So I will draw a tree. This tree is something that everyone will be able to draw. So let's get into it. It will be everything in real time. So to draw a simple tree that everyone can draw, even if you think that your drawings are disastrous and you just can't draw a straight line, let's start. So what I will do, I will start with a simple line here, then I'll go up, and then let's make this turn. So then I will draw here another line, and then I will draw it down and do the same twist in the end here. The next step, let's draw from this side one line here, and let's do a line back. So basically I can add one line here, one line here, one line here, and can add one more here. So far everything is super simple. So the next step, let's draw a line here, another line, then they connect, and a little twist in the end. On the other side, I'm gonna draw the same thing here, and here another line. Then here from the bottom again, on the other side it's the same. I think it will take me 5 minutes. So then let's do it again, now a little bit shorter, and in the end 2 little twist lines. And here again the same thing. So now I think we can end this part. So now let's draw a line here, another twist here, and then we connect these bottom lines. So since it is a tree, it stands on the ground. So let's draw an imaginary ground line here and one here. So now the most important thing, I'm gonna start around here, and just a freehand, let's draw a line. You can really twist it how you want. Then on the other side, let's draw the same. And now is the most trickiest part. You have to go all around with just a simple line, freehand. You don't have to make this straight. The more you improvise, the better. Just kind of like the lifeline or something. Just if you got shaky hands, then it will really help you with this drawing. So if you don't know how much you can go with this, you can, on this side, you can just start from this if it's easier. Somehow you need to connect the lines. It doesn't need to be round or anything, just, you know, because trees are not really, you know, identical. So there it is. That was the most important thing. Now let's draw some imaginary lines. Also super easy. So this is gonna be a tree in 5 minutes. Everyone can draw this, guys. So yeah, basically there it is. And yeah, there it is. What you can do is if you want it better looking, you can add some shading basically from this point on. So what I can do, and what I usually do, is I add super easy shading. And you can do this to each branch that we draw in the beginning. Just slightly shade out one line, but only do it with one line. You can do it with the other one too. That's a little bit difficult because you don't have the space. You have to have a really sharp pencil. You can just shade out one of the lines, then shade out here till the end. Here you can make it darker for the shade, then shade out here. So also you can shade out a little bit this line that you did. So yeah guys, this is a simple tree in 5 minutes. If you need it for homework, or I see you guys, a lot of guys are writing me that they needed to draw this for homework, for a class, that the teacher asked them to draw something. So this is an easy tree you can draw in 5 minutes. I could draw this in like 1 minute if I would make it fast, you know, I would be in a hurry. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Let me know if you really need these easy drawing videos, because I can really make those. It's easy for me. So I hope you guys like the video. Let me know in the comments, and I'm having 3 or 4 videos a week now, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm approaching 35,000 subscribers on my channel. I will do a special video, I think, in the end of the year, when I do achieve this goal of mine for 35,000 subscribers. So I think maybe I'm doing Q&A, so I'll think about it. So I hope you liked the video, and see you guys in my next ones.